clever trick. O is for owl who wakes at night. P is for Vungman, a snowy delight. Q is for quail who hides in hay. R is for rabbit who hops all day. S is for snake who slides with grace. T is for tiger, king of his place. U is for unicorn, shiny and fair. V is for vulture, high in the air. W is for whale, so big and blue. X is for X-ray fish, glowing feet. La 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 la. Y is for yak on hills so steep. Z is for zebra with stripes to keep.